For
the last 3 days, Russian and Syrian government warplanes have been targeting the town of Ariha in Idlib's countryside. They targeted this position, which used to have 3 residential buildings. They were hit by Russian missiles and were totally destroyed and flattened. More than 20 civilians, including whole families, were killed in the attack. Civil defense teams are trying to rescue those trapped. They're now trying to rescue a body that is still under the rubble. It seems to be a child under 16 years of age. And according to civil defense sources, a number of people are still trapped under the rubble. The bombardment of this town has gone on for the last 3 days. More than 27 people were killed in these strikes just in Ariha. All places that were targeted were either residential homes or service buildings. Warplanes are still roaming the skies at the moment.